What's up guys, it's Mike and Jay here in the Midnight Mod Garage, and today
we are going to actually be duplicating the bed liner coating that we did on the fender flares and the bumpers on the roof of the vehicle, including the Freedom panels. Let's go. So as we mentioned, we have decided that we want to duplicate this texture on the top and the Freedom panels. So the first thing you're going to do is take off the top and the Freedom panels. Now we're not going to show you in this episode how to take those off because there's about 500 videos of people taking those off. What we are going to show you is the paint job.
So the most important thing with any paint work is always going to be the prep. So we're putting the effort in here beforehand, masking and sanding, knowing the direct effect it's going to have on the final result. All those white circles you see just above the window are from paint bubbles we were able to just flake off. And while we have no intention of stripping the hardtop back all the way to its original white plastic, we are going to sand these areas smooth and gently scuff the rest with an 800 grit sandpaper. And so now that we've got all the glass thoroughly masked off, all that's left to do is prep the surface and we can finally get to paint. After sanding, we give the top a thorough wipe of a solution of dish soap and water before a final wipe of alcohol to ensure it's completely devoid of impurities. After rolling on 2 thick coats of bed liner, we let the panels sit overnight to dry. The next morning we came in to reassemble the Jeep and remove the tape from the areas masked off to reveal a magnificent result. So thank you for those of you who have come along with us on this and other journeys. Remember, projects like this are not difficult. With the help of your best friend and some nice weather, it's unbelievable what you can get done in just a couple of days. So remember to get in the garage, get dirty, and stay tuned. From the Midnight Mod Garage, we'll see you soon.
Take one.